What up, people? We're back. Let's talk about crypto. Listen, before I get into it, I am not a financial advisor and you should not buy or sell anything because of what I say. Okay? Listen, down in the description below, you got two links. One link is for Coinbase. If you want to get started with crypto and you're new and you just stumbled upon my channel, thank you. Subscribe if you like the content. I'll be happy to see you. Listen, you can get if you purchase $100 worth of any crypto, you get free Bitcoin when you use the link in my description below. Also, the second link is for Ledger wallets. Now, if you don't know what Ledger is, it's basically a company that makes offline storage devices like Ledger Nano S, Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano S is the smaller one and it's the cheaper one as well. But you can basically do everything that you can do with Ledger Nano X, except Ledger Nano X has like a few other features which, if you don't care about, get the cheaper one. Why not? You can get more of them, right? That's only if you choose to do so. So we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about XRP, and we're also going to be talking about Cardano. All right, let's get into the video. And this time, because I already made this video, but I didn't switch. Yeah, I just spent 12 minutes talking to myself, and you were only going to see me the entire time. So let's switch over to the live view, and we're in the live view. That's what I'm talking about. Let's talk about Bitcoin first. So I made a video the other day. I'm currently in a short position with Bitcoin. So there's two things I didn't see that I do see now. So on the daily chart with Bitcoin, we are super fucking oversold, man. We're gonna see a dip, and this pin bar confirmed it for me. So last night I got in, or either it was last night I got into a position with Bitcoin. I probably got in like somewhere up here. I forget. I think I got in around the $27,000 mark. And once we saw this big push up, because I knew it was going to push back up. Usually with pin bars, it does push back up. Either it pushes up to the previous candle, or if it continues to push up, I just wait for it to kind of die out. So I mean, I've been looking at charts for a good amount of time now, not years, but a good amount of time to where I know where a candlestick is basically starting to die out, and that's where I place my position. If it goes up a little bit more, then it is what it is. But I mostly get in hopefully at the right time, right? About 80% of the time I'm in at the right time, and then I just put my stops above this previous pin bar, probably around like 29,000, because it's probably not going to get up to 29,000 anytime soon. I think 28,000 is going to be, I think this was the high and that was it, okay? So I'm probably going to receive hate for that, but I don't give a fuck, all right? Listen, Bitcoin right now is making higher highs, but on the RSI, it's making lower highs. Okay? Mira, amigo. Look at this. Boom. Lower high. Higher high. What does that tell you? Along with this pin bar. This pin bar is just confirmation. This right here, bro, anybody, a fucking child could see that. A monkey could see that. That's going down. You know what I'm saying? So where is it going to go down to? I don't know. It could go down to 22. It could reach right here to 19, or it could even go down here to 11. Whatever it is, bro, I'm holding my position and I'm waiting for it to drop. I'm gonna have fun within the next few weeks. Anyways, listen, that's just my little analysis on Bitcoin. I'm not gonna take up too much time. The real main are XRP and Cardano. So XRP currently, what do we have going on? There's a lot of people that were. I just saw a tweet, man. Someone said that they're out of XRP because it hit 22 cents. That's his business. I'm not gonna say nothing. All I'm saying is that instead of selling, you should add to your position. If you don't have the money, just fucking hold and throw your phone away and don't look at the fucking charts for a few months. That shit's gonna come right back. And if it doesn't come back, hopefully in a few months, and if it's still around the 20-cent range, hopefully in a few months, you have a little bit of cash that you can put into, some XRP. You know what I'm saying? Listen. XRP right now is a little bullish, I think. It's a little bullish. Okay, I already charted that out. Like I said, I already made a video on this, okay? But I wasn't sharing the screen like I'm sharing it now. I looked and I felt like a fucking idiot. Listen. Just listen to me for 1 second. Don't buy or sell because what I'm saying. If you don't know how to read charts, Go learn how to read charts, come back to this video, and then you'll probably understand what I'm saying. Bullish divergence right now on the 4-hour chart. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour, daily, weekly, monthly, super fucking good. Like amazing. You want to know why? Because it's very powerful. It has a lot more meaning to it than bullish divergence on a 5, 15 minute, 30-minute chart. It's not the same, okay? This means complete trend reversal. We're at the bottom. We might dip down a little bit lower just so we can get probably equal to this or a little bit higher. But we're basically at the bottom, guys. Just hold on a little bit longer, dude. It got down to 2175, which is this candle right here. The low is 2175. Excuse me, I just ate dinner like before. I'm having a lot of fucking gas. 21. I think I ate too much, man. I usually eat too much. But the low of this candle is 2175. It's already at 23. Dude, it doesn't seem like a lot, but think about it in the thousands. If it drops to 21,000 or 2100 and it's at 2300 already, dude, that's a good percentage that it's up again, right? That happens with Bitcoin all the time. It's down to 18 and then the next day it's up 19.8. You know what I'm saying? Like, people don't realize that. Like, people are, oh, it's just a few pennies. Bro, a few pennies, like, think about it the same way as you're thinking about it with a few thousand, right? If it wasn't that big of a deal, it would continue to push down. In 21, it would probably go up 2175. It'll probably go up to like 2205, right? If it wasn't that big of a deal. Dude, we rejected off of the trend line twice. Okay, what was the low of this day? 2138. We're basically rejecting off the trend line again. So there's a lot of buying pressure. Anybody who's selling right now, I just want you to know, in a few months, when this shit's back up to 50 cents, dude, you're gonna fucking cry because you sold your positions. And if you had a few thousand of them, and let's say you're negative right now, instead of selling, just add a little bit to your position and average down. You know what I'm saying? Even if it stays around 20 cents for the next few weeks, half of you got jobs, and if you don't have jobs, go fucking Uber or something. Like, that's what I do. Fuck a job, but I just do Uber and DoorDash and shit, dude. I make more doing that than I do, working at a fucking job. But that's my situation. I'm not saying you should do that. Anyways, bullish divergence on XRP currently as we speak right now, and it rejected off of the trend line. If you see it, look. I'll move. No, I fucked it up. No. Okay, I made it better. So basically, it rejected off the trend line, man. Like, if you don't see that, like, you see it clear as day. It rejected right off the trend line. I might go and touch the trend line, but it rejected off the trend line, which tells me, look, dummies, there's bullish divergence. Don't sell your fucking positions. Have balls of steel like all the other big motherfuckers in this business, and, keep your shit up. You know what I'm saying? Like, just stay in. Stop being fucking pussies. I'm probably going to get a shit ton of hate for that. But, I mean, everybody's got their own situation. You're going to do what you want to do. I can't make you do anything. I'm just talking shit. So if we go to 88 USD, and we go to a little bit of Cardano. That's Cardano, right? Yes. If we look at Cardano, man, what do we got going on with Cardano? Let's go into the daily chart. Oh, boy. Well, Cardano didn't look like this before. What chart was I looking at? I was definitely looking at a different chart. Was I looking at Kraken? I was not looking at Kraken. I was looking at a different chart, man. I forgot which chart I was looking at, but I'm just going to search up 88 USD. Maybe it'll come up. This is what I was looking at. So, this is for Bitfinex. I don't know who uses Bitfinex, but I'm not going to use it because obviously it doesn't have enough, whatchamacallit. So, information. Cardano, if we look at it at a, standpoint, the high of Cardano was 90 cents. Is that what it is? 90 cents? No. What the fuck is it? I'm just going to get deep in here. Okay, the high of Cardano, I'm just going to mark it real quick. Okay? Going to get array, and we're going to mark the high. Okay, this was the high of Cardano, which is at 141, sorry. Okay, right now we're at 18 cents, and we've been ranging like a motherfucker. You don't even see any of the little pumps that happen because this pump is significant compared to all the other pumps, right? So, Cardano currently, as we look at it, broke one level of resistance right here. If you don't see it, go learn some charts. Because I didn't know what support and resistance was. I had to watch a shit ton of videos, man. It is what it is. It happens. That's what happens when you're new. Now, if you know support resistance, then you can clearly see we had a support resistance flip in November. Okay, we saw it go from 10 cents up to 13. Well, what is this? The high 16 cents, right? 19 cents. So it went from 10 cents to 19 cents. So it basically went up 900% or so. I think that's what it is. Right? Like, price-wise. All right, I'm just going to give you guys... It went up 82%. Okay? And then, it found support right here. This is where the next support level is. Currently, right now, for Cardano, ADA. All right? Right now, the next level of resistance that we have is right here. If we really look at it and like we look at like what's really going on, the next level of resistance is basically right here in this area, which there isn't much resistance. We're probably going to pass this and we're probably going to be blocked right here. If I can get it right here. Piece of dog shit. Right here. This is where we're probably going to be hanging out at. So if it goes how I'm thinking it's going to go, because on Bitfinex, if it's kind of like the same. I mean, Bitfinex doesn't have as much information, so now I kind of, what I said in my 12-minute video, which I didn't record, like I said, is kind of panning out, and I'm glad that I saw Binance's charts. Basically, what I said is that since there is if we go from this low, let me make this a little bit lower. If you go from here, which is basically September's low, up to the high, it was 156%, okay? If we do the same thing right here from this low, because it hit these three lows, it hit 3 times, okay? If we go from this low and we go 150 something percent, which it's not at the low that I want it to be at, so I'm going to do this one more time. Bada bing. No. Bada bing. No. Don't want to do it yet. How about now? Okay, there we go. If it goes 156%, it's around 30 cents. Okay? So you know what I'm saying? So it can easily go up 150 something percent again if this bull market continues. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, there's nothing really much else to say. There's really no resistance points other than the one that is probably around right here, but it's not as significant as this one. There's a lot more support resistance flips on this one right here. It's more of a, it's a higher probability that it's going to go to around 26 cents. Now, I don't know if it is. If it doesn't, oh well, I mean, I'm not really invested into Cardano, but I'm sure if you are, you're rooting for it to go up that much percent, to that price. You know what I'm saying? But guys, that's the video. I'm going to end off the video with saying thank you to everybody who has, I throw this out. Everybody who has subscribed, liked my channel, commented, viewed my stuff. Thanks, man. It just gives me more inspiration to keep on doing this, and that you guys are finding entertainment with it. Especially those who are subscribing, man. Thank you. I honestly appreciate it. I grew, like, I didn't realize, like, you can grow that many subscribers in one day. I think I grew, like, 10 subscribers, which to you doesn't seem a lot. But to me, that's like, holy shit. I thought I was only going to have, like, 6 for 3 months, but now I believe I'm at like 20 last time I checked, which is fucking dope. So thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So I'm just gonna go back into here, and we're gonna finish off the video like this. Have balls of steel. Don't be a little pansy. And if you're in XRP right now, instead of selling your position, which I can't tell you what to do, obviously, I can just speak on me and what I would do. I'm not selling. I don't care if it goes down to 0.02 again. I'm just gonna buy more. This is more opportunity, unless like the company is really dead. But yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. If you guys like the video, comment, share, subscribe. You know the deal. You know what everybody else says. If you subscribed already, hit the ring bell notification. You know the little red bell thing, bing, and then it turns red. You know what I'm saying? Hit that motherfucker because you'll get updated on when I make new videos. So thanks guys. I'll see you later.